We're having something super nice here. You can get it with original leather bag or without it. It's up to you. And this is the great Minolta XL 401 in incredible condition, perfectly working. The price on this camera will be much lower, as there is a small damage here on the lens at the front, but this doesn't affect the functionality of the camera. Luckily it's just on the side, otherwise the lens is super clean, perfectly working focus, perfectly working manual and automatic zoom. It's a great way to get an incredible camera on much lower price. So let's test it out. First of all, you need to open the lid here and then position the 2 AA batteries. The camera works only with 2 AA batteries, which is very handy. And first thing you'll see once you input it, that the light meter works very correctly actually. So towards the light it goes up, and if I put my hand in front of it, it goes down. Again, goes up. Light meter works great, as you can see, perfectly working, 18 frames per second, single frame interval meter, so called. As you can hear. Okay, so back to 18. Automatic zoom works very well. As you can see, super clean lens. It's a great way to get a camera, such a great camera on much lower price, and it doesn't affect the functionality of the camera at all. So, as you all know, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. As you can see, this one barely moves. So if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, super smoothly working. And let's see what the result is. No mark there anymore, and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together. The camera would be much more expensive than what it is listed for now if it wasn't the small scow on the lens, but as said several times, it doesn't affect the functionality of the camera at all. Light meter works perfectly, as you saw. Manual and automatic zoom work perfectly, focus works great, the camera is in truly incredible condition and is super compact. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive!